These are the top 3 resume mistakes that I've seen as a hiring manager. Here's why they suck and how you can do better. First mistake, too many responsibilities, not enough achievements. Here's the truth. If you're just listing out your responsibilities, you're just telling the reader, look, I'm just the same as literally everyone else who's had that same job. Nothing to see here, move along. If you want to stand out, then you need to show what you achieved on the job. Quantify the results that you got for the business. And before you say, but it's so hard to put a number to this, I'm going to tell you right now, I've never met an accomplishment that couldn't be quantified with some creativity. For example, don't write, I input data into the customer database spreadsheets. Instead, write, I managed customer databases with over 500 data entries per day and took initiative to automate 25% of common entries to increase personal and team efficiency. Second mistake, too many words. Don't make a resume over 1 page. Don't fill all your white space with words, and don't use size 10 font. Here's a fact. On average, recruiters spend just 6 seconds per resume. If your resume is hard to scan, they're not going to get very far in those 6 seconds, and they're going to miss the best parts about your resume just because they're buried under a wall of text. Remember that for resumes, less really is more. You want to hit them with your best points in the top third of your resume, bold keywords, and make it a no-brainer to give you that interview. Third mistake, lies. I see this often in new grads and candidates without relevant experience. Now, I'm not your mom, so I'm not here to tell you that lies are bad because it's not ethical. No, I'm here telling you that they're bad because there's a good chance that you're going to get caught. Say you lie in your resume and you get an interview and your interviewer is just so wowed by your lie that they can't wait to ask you about it in the interview. So they ask you, how did you measure that achievement in your resume? And why did you choose to measure it that way instead of this more effective way? If you produce such an amazing achievement, you must have faced this other challenge, right? How did you overcome that challenge? And on and on and on. So the thing is, at the end of the day, you're making something up and trying to fool someone who is way more experienced than you are. So there you are. Those are the top 3 resume mistakes that I've seen as a hiring manager. If you want to find your dream job with confidence, follow me for more.